Today's lesson is a bird quiz. Peacock, duck, chicken, turkey, penguin, cockatoo, eagle, sparrow, parrot, owl, goose, kookaburra, kingfisher, bluebird, ostrich, vulture, flamingo, rooster, quail. This animal is active at night. It's an owl. This animal can stand on one foot. It's a flamingo. This animal can chirp. It's a sparrow. This animal is a bird that isn't nice. It's a vulture. This animal is a compound word. It's a bluebird. This animal can gobble. It's a turkey. This animal is a bird that can't fly. It's a penguin. This animal who is white. It's a cockatoo. This animal can lay eggs. It's a chicken. This animal can fly. It's a kookaburra. This animal is a ball type. It's an eagle. This animal can strike with their tails. It's a peacock. This animal can wake up everyone. It's a rooster. This animal is a bird that can't fly. It's an ostrich. This animal likes to live in salt water and fresh water. This animal this animal lives on the farm. It's a duck. This animal can say hello. It's a parrot. This animal is a group called geese. It's a goose. This animal has a hook on top. It's a quail. This animal loves to find fish. It's a kingfisher. We hope you had fun learning and we'll see you in the next lesson.